So hey guys, it's Teacher Dad. So today I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration video. I have a Dodge Grand Caravan that is having an issue with the rear, or with the side sliding door on the side, where it's just been like opening and closing by itself. And so I'm going to show you what the problem is with this particular vehicle, and if you're having a similar issue, you can double check this and see if this is a problem with yours. So this is a problem that has been happening where randomly we'll go out to the van and find that the side door is open. And so there was another gentleman online, I can post a link to his video as well, but he had a similar problem and had it to various garages and other places trying to locate and figure out what was the actual problem going on. And he found out that it came down to the problem of it being something with his key fob. And so when I started looking into this, I discovered that this one had the same issue. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration video as well on what he was able to do and how he was able to repair his. So first of all, to open up the key fob, there's a little sliding bracket here, and you'll open this up. This is what allows the actual key mechanism. So if you had a problem with the battery going dead, this actually allows you to get into the vehicle. So you can see here, if you just put something here in the side, you can pop this front cover off of here. And then this front and back just separate here. Okay, so you can see this is where you would replace your battery if the battery has gone dead, if you're having issue with that battery. Okay, so then this is this little rubber enclosure here that comes from the front side here. You can see there's basically just this little computer chip, or this computer card inside here. Okay, and so you can see what has actually happened here inside of this particular key fob. You can see that this little magnetic adapter, or this little magnet right here, has come loose from this button, and what happens is it starts to kind of rattle around inside of this key fob and can just inadvertently touch any of these contacts. It just so happens that it's opening and closing this side door, but it could just as easily be resulting in a number of these other other functions that are actually happening as well. So there we go, and hopefully that solved your problem. So if that was something that was helpful to you, hopefully that will help to solve the issue that you had, and save some of that frustration that you may have been having with your key fob. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.